What's your name?
My name is Angela.
How do you spell your family name?
My family name is you spell it Zeta Uluaga.
Where are you from?
I am from Palmyra.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I'm working and studying at the same time.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I'm really interested because I like to learn about new cultures.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I'm enjoying my free time and reading books, watching anime series, painting, or making sculptures.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
For me, the best way is reading books and watching TV programs in English and listening music.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
My new skill would be don't feel uncomfortable when I am with new people.